Okay naman na, as to siyempre pinakaimportante diyan yung procurement of the needed materials, the needed equipment for the Karaa, as we are really hosting, or I mean, this will be used as the billeting center or billeting school for the delegations of Baguio. So yun yung inuna namin, the procurement process. May mga kailangan kasi nating bibilhin like additional tanks, no, to solve the shortage of water during the Karaa, and faucets to improve our wash areas, to improve our toilets. Siguro idagdag mo na dyan yung ating mga heaters, no? May dalawa tayo, dadagdagan pa. And then additional hose, mga ganon. Para mga tabo, mga pails, so that our athletes could prepare very well. Tulugan nila, mga mattress, mga unan, ganon. Yan yung mga inuna natin. So far, coming na. To be downloaded naman na yung funds natin. And then for the ground preparation naman, we are actually trying our best to clean our areas, the different buildings, and to try to repaint some other dilapidated parts of the building. Particularly, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, nakikita mo pa rin yung Lokban Elementary School. We want athletes and delegates when they come, at least ramdam na nila at makikita nila na Lokban integrated na tayo. Yun, we are trying to ask help from the different barangays in our catchment communities and barangays, no? Particularly Camdas, Quirino Hill, Trancoville, itong sanitary camp. Dati-rate, may group of workers sila I am not sure if it's the Tupad, but they are coming to help us in the preparation of the grounds. Yun yung katulad ng area kung saan tayo magluluto, no? Kailangan dyan ilaw, kailangan dyan yung na-fix yung mga patungan ng mga kaldero. Mga yun, no? Sa upper ground naman natin, medyo madamo pa siya. So we will be requesting personnel coming from this barangay, the different barangays, to come and help us prepare the grounds. Particularly cleaning and clean and green pa rin. Paglilinis. Ever since gustong-gusto nating makuha yung award na most disciplined delegation, parang in the past years, I think particularly last Karaa, hindi natin nakuha yon. Siguro yun lang yung parang hiling natin, request natin, more on the discipline in the use of our facilities, particularly, and syempre yung respect lang sa ating kung anong meron tayo. Mga tanim natin, equipments, gamitin ng maayos. Hindi naman natin pinagdadamot, of course, pero to observe the proper use of our equipment. Kasi pag hindi naman talaga na-observe yung proper use, syempre, abuse ng mga yan. Baka isang gamit pa lang, wala na talaga. Yun lang naman, pinaka-importante.